Hello students, this is Dr. Ruchira Chaudhury and today I will discuss about Bayes theorem and will solve some problems related to it. The link of the previous two chapters are given in the description box. So let's start. So I am coming to the statement of Bayes theorem. So this is like that, there will be n events a1, a2, an, and these n events will have two properties. These n events will be mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. I have already discussed the definition of mutually exclusive event and exhaustive events. You can find this definition in my previous lecture. So I am telling just that this set of events, n events will be mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So mutually exclusive means any two events will have no common elements. That is, intersection of any two events will be equal to phi. That is, ai intersection aj will be equal to phi for ij equals to 1 to n, and union of all the events will be a sample space. So union of all the events will be a sample space. Under these two conditions, this formula will get, and this is known as Bayes theorem. So I am repeating the statement. If a1, a2, an are given set of n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, then ai intersection aj equals to phi, and union of all the events will be equal to the sample space. Under these two conditions, this will be hold, that is, probability of a will be equal to summation i1 to n probability of ai and conditional probability of a when ai is already occurred. So this means probability of a1 dot probability of a by a divided by a1 plus probability of a2 dot probability of a divided by a2 and plus dot 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 dot. And second formula is conditional probability of ai when a is already occurred will be equal to probability of ai dot probability of a divided by ay whole divided by probability of a, and probability of a is already this. So this is known as Bayes theorem, and if we solve the problem related to Bayes theorem, then the conception will be cleared how is the formula. So I am starting the first problem related to Bayes theorem. So the problem is like that, three boxes are there, and these three boxes have these types of proportions of white and black balls. Box 1 contains 1 white and 2 black balls, box 2 contains 2 white and 1 black balls, and box 3 contains 2 whites. Box 3 contains 2 white and 2 black balls. Now two events are there. First event is one of these boxes is selected at random, and the second event is one ball is drawn randomly from it and it turns out to be white. So these are the two events. One box is selected at random, and then one ball is drawn from the randomly from it and it turns to be white. Now what is the probability that the third box is chosen, will be chosen? This is the question. This is the question. What is the probability that the third box will be chosen? Now we will have to form what is a1, a2, a3 and what is a. Now please note that it turns out to be white, that is the conditional probability. So we will have to, that is the ball turned out to be white, and that we will have to assume that event as A, because this is the conditional probability. Now if I form A1, A2, A3 as like that, A1 be the event that box 1 is chosen, and A2 be the event when box 2 is chosen, and A3 be the event when box 3 is chosen. Then probability of A1 will be equal to 1 by 3, because 3 boxes are there and I am choosing first box. So the probability of A1 will be 1 by 3, and probability of A2 will be similarly 1 by 3, and probability of A3 will be 1 by 3. I am assuming that A be the event that the ball drawn is white. Then what will have to find out? We will have to find out probability of A3 divided by A3 by A, because this means probability of A3 when A is already occurred. So probability of A3 means probability that the third box is chosen when A is already occurred, means when the ball drawn is already white. This is the question and this is the probability. Now from Bayes theorem we have probability of A3 by A equals to probability of A3, probability of A by A3 divided by probability of A1, probability of A by A1 plus probability of A2, probability of A by A2 plus probability of A3, probability of A by A3. This is the formula of Bayes theorem. And if you see that probability of A3, probability of A1 and probability of A2, these are the known terms that we have calculated, that probability of A1, probability of A2 and probability of A3, the three terms have the equal value, that is 1 by 3. But we have to calculate probability of A by A1, probability of A by A3 and probability of A by A2. So probability of A by A1 means probability of A when A1 is already occurred, that is the probability of that white ball is chosen when box 1 is selected. So probability of A by A1 will be equal to, I am drawing the white ball from the box 1, that is 1 divided by total number of balls are 3, so 1 divided by 3. Similarly probability of A by A2 will be, I am drawing white ball from the 4 numbers of total number of balls are 3, so that will be 2 divided by 3. Probability of A divided by A3 will be equal to, I am drawing two white balls from the total number of balls, 4 balls from the box 3. So that will be 2 divided by 4, that is half. And if you put this value in these terms, you will get the value of probability of A3 by A. This is the Bayes theorem and we apply it for getting the solution of these types of problems. Now I am starting the second problem of related to Bayes theorem. The problem is like that. 2 boxes are there and the first box contains 4 white and 2 black balls. The second box contains 1 white and 3 black balls. Now 2 events are there. One ball is transferred from the first box into second box and then one ball is drawn from the second box. Then it turns out to be black. What is the probability that the transferred ball was white? So there are two events. The first event is one ball is transferred from the first box into second box, and the second event is one ball is drawn from the second box and it turns out to be black. This is the event A, that is the conditional probability. And what is the probability? That the transferred ball was white. So we will have to form A1, A2 and A. A is this, that is the ball drawn from the second ball is black. This is the event A. So I am assuming A be the event that the ball drawn from the second box is black. And what is A1, A2? Let A1 be the event that the transferred ball, that is the transferred ball means the ball transferred from box 1 to box 2. So the A1 be the event that the transferred ball is white, and A2 be the event that the transferred ball is black. And these are the event A1, A2 and AA, and we will have to find out probability of A, that is the transferred ball will be white. So A1 by A, that is probability of A1 when A is already occurred. So we will have to find out probability of A1 by A. From Bayes theorem we get this formula, that is probability of A1 will be equal to like this. Now we will have to find out probability of A1 and probability of A2. What is probability of A1? Probability of A1 means the transferred ball is white. Probability of transferred ball is white. That is, I am transferring from the 4 white balls and the total number of balls are 6. So this will be 4 divided by 6. And probability of A2 means probability of the transferred ball is black. So I am transferring from the 2 black balls and the total number of balls are 6. So that will be 2 divided by 6. Now we will have to find out probability of A divided by A1, A by A1, and that is the probability of A when A1 is already occurred. Now we will have to find out probability of A by A1. Probability of A by A1 means that the probability of A when A1 is already occurred, that is probability of the ball drawn from the second ball is black when the transferred ball is white. So I am transferring white ball from the box 1 to the box 2. So there will be 2 white ball in box 2, and I am drawing from the 3 black balls. From 3 plus 2, that is the total number of ball will be 5, and from 5 number of total balls from the second box. So that is the probability will be 3 divided by 5. To find out the probability of A by A2, that is the probability of A when A2 is already occurred, means the probability of the ball drawn from the second box is black when the transferred ball is black. So I am transferring the one black ball to the second box, that is there will be 4 black balls in the second box, and I am drawing the black balls, that is 1 black balls from the 4 black balls from the second box. So that this will be 4 divided by total number of ball will be 5. So 4 divided by 5. Now you put the value of this, all this in this expression and get the result. So the result will be 3 divided by 5.